Speak FB, profanity, filter. I have a free play in the BYU Cincinnati game tonight at 8 p.m. And what a day yesterday was, hitting at a 67% in both the premium card and overall. 6-3 on premium, 16-8 overall. I am truly sorry if you miss out on yesterday, but the good news is tomorrow is college football day. We are diving in college football and basketball and sprinkling in some NHL. Speak FB, profanity, filter. This is definitely not a day you want to miss, and it is best you join up with me as well. Grab a Player Profit account, all the links in my bio. Stop losing your own money, use me and the low-risk high-reward system Player Profit has built, and let's have an amazing day. Use code PUKA to get 10% off an account, and if you DM me I may give you a discount on my picks. /FB. But for now you are going to have to settle for the free play, which is by U minus 2.5.